So a few days ago, my girlfriend, who also got straight hair, managed to make her hair curly naturally without applying any heat by making multiple thin 3-strand braids. So I stole her idea and she didn't know about it yet. So that's what I'm gonna do today. And of course, I cannot make that many braids on my own, so I convinced my mom to help me out on this one. Let's see how it looks. So ideally, in order for this method to succeed, we need to make braids while the hair is still wet. But mine started to get dry halfway through, so we had to use a spray bottle filled with tap water to keep the hair in a wet condition. So it took over an hour to complete this whole process, and it may not look like it, but it's been 5 hours since I put my hair in this situation. And I guess that's enough time for the hair to hold this shape for a while, and honestly I'm getting a little annoyed by the braids now. So I'll just open these and see how the hair looks. And if you're gonna try this on your hair and you think only putting your hair into braids is difficult, opening them will be easy enough. Just try it. You'll come across the truth quickly. So this is how my hair looks right now, and I'm honestly amazed by how good curly hair can look. Because most of the people who are naturally blessed with curly hair are always finding ways to make their hair straight. Maybe I'm finding it this good because this is the first time I'm seeing myself with curly hair. But whatever the case is, I like it. Let's try to put this hair in a full man bun. Looks good. How about a half bun? Even better. As good as it looks, I'm not going to trust my hair to apply oil yet, as that can make the hair straight again. I'm gonna enjoy this look for a while. And if you think this was worth your precious time, a like to this video and a sub to the channel will be really appreciated. But with that being said, I'll see you around, Alpha.